Good morning students. This is the continuation for unit 4. In this video we are going to discuss about confidentiality and conflicts of interest. First we are going to discuss about confidentiality. What is confidentiality? It is widely accepted that the engineers have an obligation to keep certain information of the employer or client secret or confidential. For example, lawyers, doctors and a counselor keep information of their patients or clients confidential. Teachers must keep at least personal information about their student confidential. In the same way, engineers have an obligation to keep important information of their employer or client confidential. What is meant by the term confidential information? It is deemed desirable to keep secret. It is any information that the employer or client would like to have kept secret. What is the use of this? To compete effectively against business rivals. Next we are going to discuss about conflicts of interest. What is a conflict of interest? It means individual has two or more desires that all interest cannot be satisfied given the circumstances. What is professional conflicts of interest? The situation where professionals have an interest, if pursued, could keep them from meeting one of their obligations to their employees. For example, employee working in a company depositing a substantial investment in a competitor company. Another example, employee working in a company serving as a consultant for a competitor company. Conflicting interest is different from conflict of interest. For example, student may have interest in excelling on 4 final exams. She knows, however, that there is time to study adequately for only 3 of them, and so she must choose which interest not to pursue. Already I said, conflicting interest means a person has 2 or more desires that cannot all be satisfied given the circumstances. Conflicts of interest classified into 3 types. One is actual conflicts of interest. Second one, potential conflicts of interest. Third one, apparent conflicts of interest. One by one we will discuss. First one, actual conflicts of interest. This arises when an employee compromises objective engineering judgment. Actual conflicts of interest can corrupt professional judgment. I have discussed with you one example. Mechanical engineer working in the purchase department of an automobile industry. His personal influence while offering the contract for supply of raw material to a vendor. In this case, pursuing his financial interest with the vendor might lead him not to objectively and faithfully discharge his professional duties to his industry. Very clear? Okay. So, second one, potential conflicts of interest. This may corrupt professional judgment in the future, if not in the present. Are you clear or not? Okay. So whereas actual conflicts of interest can corrupt professional judgment. For these conflicts of interest may corrupt professional judgment in the future, not in the present. I have discussed with one example. Engineer becoming a friend with a supplier for his company. In this case, engineer may not have conflicts of interest initially. In future, he may favor his friend as in the case of actual conflicts of interest. Third one, apparent conflicts of interest. Apparent conflicts of interest actually not corrupting the professional judgment. I have discussed with one example. Consider a situation where a design engineer is paid based on a percentage of the cost of the design. There is no incentive for him to reduce the cost down. In this context, it may appear that the engineer will make the design more expensive in order to earn more commission for himself. This is very important, or highlighting point, commission. This appearance of conflicts of interest may cause the distrust on the engineer's ability to perform his professional duties. The highlighting point here, distrust, no trust. So here, from this case, apparent conflicts of interest actually not corrupting the professional judgment.